Good evening, everybody. We are here at the Magic Kingdom, and it's a little cold. How cold is it?
43 degrees.
It's actually 40 degrees.
Ooh.
It is 40 degrees on a clear night, and we just decided we needed to pop in, and I don't know, what should we do on such a cold and clear night here at the Magic Kingdom?
I think we should do something warm. Splash Mountain.
Splash Mountain.
Yep.
Makes sense to me. All right, so we showed up to the Magic Kingdom tonight just for the specific purpose of riding Splash Mountain when it's 40-degree weather. It's cold, it's freezing. Why are we doing this? We love Disney. We love sharing the Disney experience with you guys. And Caleb, for Christmas, got a pair of Crocs that were Baby Yoda Crocs, the child Crocs. We got the wrong size. They were the one size too small. So we brought them tonight so we can change them out. He got inside the Emporium and decided, you know what, he didn't want the Crocs after all. What did you want, Caleb?
I wanted the sick new onesie.
I think I'm rubbing off on him in a very bad way. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Do you think it looks good?
I think it looks fashionable.
You think it looks fashionable? And you definitely look warm enough. You're gonna be warmer than I am for Splash Mountain. Now, I think you tricked me. I think you tricked me. You said, Dad, let's go ride Splash Mountain when it's, freezing, and then you buy the onesie. I don't have my onesie. All right, let's go ride. So, unlike holidays in the past, we were actually expecting to be very crowded here on Christmas Day and even the day after Christmas. But, it's really not bad at all today. We were easily grabbing park reservations for today, and so it's been really great as far as crowds are concerned. All right, so we just checked the My Disney Experience app, and surprisingly, I know you guys are going to be shocked by this. There's only a 10-minute wait right now for Splash Mountain.
Only 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes! I think that most of that's probably going to be queue line because it is 40 degrees right now. And so, for some reason, there's not a lot of people wanting to ride Splash Mountain.
It's the optimal Splash Mountain experience.
I know. I tell you what, I don't understand why the line isn't like an hour long at this point. So, and the crowds are extremely low at this point, walking through Frontierland as well. They're making it very easy for us to make it to Splash Mountain. So, I wonder if they turn all the water off. Maybe we'll be lucky enough to have not any water. Maybe we'll just be going down a dry hill. Please? A dry hill? Maybe. Can we just do a dry run? That would be good. So, is there any chance that they've added, heaters to the water? Maybe they've heated the water up. Yeah, that's it. Maybe they're nice warm temperature. I bet it's gonna be like 70-degree water, and we're gonna be, that feels awesome. Yeah, that's it. Keep telling yourself that. All right, so it is running. I wasn't sure if it was gonna run or not. The seats are empty. Is there anybody riding? There's a few people riding. I see some people in the boat right here in front of us. Oh my goodness. All right, the boat behind them is completely empty. Nobody in that one. Wow. All right. Wait, whose idea was this again? Ho, ho, ho. Are you guys ready for this? Do me a favor. If you enjoy our videos and our content, do me a great favor and hit the thumbs up. We'd greatly appreciate it. Let YouTube know that us crazy people riding Splash Mountain in this type of weather is something maybe somebody else would enjoy watching. Maybe not doing, but watching. There's like, oh my gosh, there's no one here. It's like an hour before park close. And I'm confused, dude. Should we go like ride Splash Mountain, and while we're still wet, we could ride Big Thunder?
Yeah, dry off.
And dry off. I mean, freeze up. So I say we ride Splash Mountain, then Big Thunder, then Splash Mountain again.
And then maybe Splash Mountain again.
And then we could go to First Aid.
Go treat Dad's hypothermia.
Hi, boys and girls. Can you say frostbite?
Can you say hypothermia?
Can you tells me the 10 minutes is going to be us walking through the queue for maybe 4 minutes. because there's nobody here. Just so you know, I have ridden this ride in cold with the onesie on. It's a pretty good ride with the onesie. Oh, it's warm in the queue. That's it. This is the first time we've stopped. We get all the way here. Everybody's getting their own boat at this point. Alright, it's our last chance to exit. Surprisingly, there are still quite a few people riding. Woo! Have a zippity doo dah ride. Does everybody just stay dry?
Hope we don't get hypothermia.
No hypothermia.
Oh no! Ah, it's so wet. Oh, it's so cold.
Good thing the cannon's not turned on. Oh, look at that steam! Woo! That must be the hot tub. Hey, hey, that's cold. Steam bath on behind the critter barn. Oh boy, first fall. The slip and falls. Oh! There goes my hoodie.
I invite you all for dinner. Place. We've got your laughing place right up here. So you're looking for a laughing place, eh? We'll show you a laughing place.
No, don't throw me in that rough patch. It's cold. It's cold in that rough patch. Oh, it's gonna be so cold. Why did I agree to do this? Oh no! Oh no! Oh my hoodie! Ah! Oh!
So bad. I barely got wet.
Oh! Oh my gosh!
Feel bad for the guys in the cab.
Oh! That's a little cold.
I didn't really get wet.
Why doesn't my hood stay up? Oh, my head's cold. Your hoodie's up.
Yeah, and I,
need my-
didn't even get that many.
I
much
need my
water
ears.
on me.
I need my ears on. Oh, great! Does that mean you want to do it again?
Yep.
I figured as much.
I told you, Redheaded, there ain't no place fine if you run from trouble. Home sweet home is the lesson today.
All the boats are empty. That's hilarious. Like every single boat is empty. Honestly, it wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
It was cold though. The parts of me that did get wet, it is freezing.
I didn't get that wet though.
No. So I guess that means you want to do it a second time?
Yep.
All right. That was like nobody in line. I guess let's just go do it again. A torturous existence. All right, let's go. Caleb's like, we're riding it a second time. It's like Frozen 2. It's cold. Oh, pure glutton for punishment, aren't we? How many times can we ride this, you think?
I don't know. Maybe they'll let us go straight on again.
I doubt it, but hey, it only took us a few minutes to go through the line.
A little bit of fun now, time to be moving along. Time to be moving along. Why, my lovely place is where I'm bound. I do declare, little man, but my laughing place doesn't gonna give you life. Please don't see me in that dry patch.
Here we go. Number 2. Number 2. Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! Why won't my hoodie stay on? Oh man! It's like Groundhog Day. I learned our lesson today. It's cold. Don't get on the ride when it's 40 degrees.
Why do?
We have not learned our lesson. All right, 3rd time's a charm, right?
Yep.
Oh, my hands are so cold.
Let's go.
There's nobody else in line at this point. Got 10 minutes before the park closes. Nobody is riding Splash Mountain at this point, except us for the 3rd time in a row. All right, at this point, my hands are freezing, but it's so cool to ride it over and over again, even if it hurts so much to do so. I have gotten wet every time it's hitting the roof. Why is it hitting the roof? No! Ah! I got wet again! Oh! What's wrong? The water spout keeps hitting the roof and dripping down on me. Woohoo! Alright, here we go! Woohoo! You finally lost your hood.
Yeah, but too bad I didn't get any water.
Wait, I got water.
It went all over me.
Oh man, it's cold. Look at that, all the water on the lens. Oh man, I'm so frigid at this point. Luckily for us though, they've turned off the waterfall here at the exit, so at least we're not getting an extra douse.
What if you just randomly turned it on?
No, don't randomly turn it on. Watch Disney World videos. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. And hey, how about hitting that subscribe button? Becoming a part of our Ear to Ear Magic community. Greatly appreciate it. So funny to see every single boat is empty. Every single one of them. All right, 3 times. Are you cold?
Not really.
No? We got a little bit wet though. I got wet.
You got a lot wet.
Every time I went down there, my hoodie would go flying off and my little bare patch of no hair head got drenched. But that's just part of the fun, right?
Yep.
Did you have a good time?
Definitely.
It was just fun just to come to the Magic Kingdom and ride. So, appreciate it, bud. Great suggestion. Let's not do this too soon in the future. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys have a magical night. And we will see you guys in the parks. Thanks, guys.